Imagine the thrill of stepping into a world where automotive innovation meets refined design. A realm where every curve, every line, and every detail tells a story of the future. Welcome to the unveiling of the Honda Vezel 2025, a vehicle that promises to redefine the driving experience while embodying cutting-edge technology, eco-friendly engineering, and captivating aesthetics. From the very first glance, this car is engineered to inspire, seamlessly merging form and function to create an experience that is both exhilarating and thoughtful. As you join us for this in-depth exploration, prepare to uncover the secrets behind its innovative design, powerful performance, and unwavering commitment to sustainability. A loop of discovery that continually renews your excitement and invites you to look deeper with every passing moment. At its core, the Honda Vezel 2025 is a triumph of modern engineering. Beneath its sleek, dynamic exterior lies a sophisticated hybrid powertrain that delivers instantaneous torque and remarkable fuel efficiency, ensuring that every drive is as dynamic as it is economical. This advanced powertrain not only provides a smooth, responsive ride, but also sets a new benchmark for environmental responsibility. The aerodynamic silhouette, carefully sculpted to reduce drag and enhance stability, delivers a driving experience that is both thrilling and impeccably sustainable, reflecting Honda's commitment to a greener future. Step inside to discover an interior that mirrors the forward-thinking design of the exterior. The cabin of the Honda Vezel 2025 is a sanctuary of technology and comfort, featuring a state-of-the-art digital dashboard, intuitive controls, and ambient lighting that adapts to your every mood. Every element, from the premium materials to the expertly arranged interfaces, has been crafted to create a space where you feel connected, secure, and inspired. It is a cockpit designed to invite exploration, foster engagement, and offer pure enjoyment with every journey. Throughout this narrative, we continually return to the core themes of innovation, sustainability, and performance. Whether delving into its cutting-edge hybrid system or examining its array of advanced safety features, the message remains clear. This vehicle is built for the future, designed to meet the demands of today while anticipating the needs of tomorrow. The recurring loop of technological advancement and eco-conscious design is interwoven into every facet of the Vezel 2025, ensuring that the initial spark of excitement is reignited with every new detail unveiled. Safety is paramount in the Honda Vezel 2025, outfitted with an extensive suite of advanced safety technologies, including collision mitigation braking, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control. This vehicle prioritizes your well-being without sacrificing performance. Its intelligent systems work in harmony to deliver a secure and confident driving experience, allowing you to focus solely on the pleasure of the drive. Every aspect, from its robust construction to its agile handling, is meticulously engineered, with your safety at its core. As we circle back to the essence of this groundbreaking car, reflect on how the Honda Vezel 2025 masterfully integrates technology, sustainability, and design into one extraordinary package. It challenges conventional expectations and transforms everyday travel into a celebration of progress and innovation. This is not merely a mode of transportation. It is an invitation to embrace a lifestyle where every drive becomes a testament to the future of mobility, a journey that inspires continuous discovery and reaffirms your passion for excellence. Picture yourself behind the wheel, experiencing a drive where advanced engineering meets luxurious comfort and every detail echoes the promise of tomorrow. The Honda Vezel 2025 is your gateway to a world of endless possibilities, where every mile offers fresh revelations and every turn ignites a renewed sense of wonder. Its design, performance, and steadfast commitment to excellence converge to form a narrative that is both captivating and ever engaging. inviting you to return to its remarkable features time and again. This script is a tribute to the Honda Vezel 2025, a vehicle that embodies the relentless pursuit of automotive perfection. As you absorb the intricate details and envision your own journey with this revolutionary car, remember that every moment behind the wheel is an opportunity to experience innovation at its finest. Embrace the future, relish the performance, and let the Honda Vezel 2025 inspire you to drive boldly into a new era of possibility and progress. Every aspect of this car has been crafted to elevate your driving experience, making each journey not just a commute, but a celebration of the art of motion and the promise of a better tomorrow.